Hey makers, I'm back again with another one. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to do a cooking vlog. I feel like it's been long since I did a cooking vlog and today I'm finally going to do it. So watch that and I hope you enjoy the video. So right now it's 12:40 p.m. and I'm sure I'm going to take some few minutes for me to finish cooking this. Enjoy this video, you all. So let me show you what I'm going to cook today. Yeah, today I'm going to cook fish and ugali and I'm so excited because I can't wait for you guys to see my final result. Yeah, so let's start this. Let me show you guys the ingredients that I'm going to use. Like as usual, I'm going to use tomato, onions, and oh, I forgot to get me some paper yesterday, and it's fine because I can do nothing about it. Though I love my food when it's having more chili, you know. Yeah, I love my food hot, like hella hot, but it's fine. Today I'm going to pass that. So I'm having my fish here with me, I'm having my tomatoes here with me, my one onion, my cubes. I'm going to get it from here. So my light keeps on blinking and it's really pissing me off. I'll get another one when I go out. Honestly, it's really pissing me off. So you all shouldn't mind when you see my video blinking as well. It's my light. Put my onions. Now you guys can see what I'm cooking, but I'm gonna show you. I really don't know why I forgot to buy chili. It's really disturbing my head. Then I'm gonna put my tomatoes. Then, as I'm waiting for my tomato to cook, I always add cubes and salt. Yeah, I'm going to add my cubes. Just a bit because I don't want it to be a lot, because I did put 2 cubes and you also know cubes have their own salt. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, And I reduce my heat and cover it up. No, I have to put my fish first. Here's my fish. I have to put my fish first. I reduced my heat and right now I want to cover it up. You'll see. Yeah, I'm going to wait for it to be ready, then I'll show you guys the final result. As I'm waiting for this one, let me also put my ugali and cook it. So here's my water. I want to make my ugali. Yeah, I want to make my ugali, then I show you guys when everything is ready. As I'm waiting for them to be ready, let me clean here. Oh, finally. So this right here is my fish. Here. You see my water is ready, so let me cook my ugali. My water has boiled already. Let me cook my ugali now because I think my fish is ready. I'm not having something I can use to pour my flour in here. I'm going to use this just for now. I'll buy as long as it works, yeah? But I'll buy. This is the only option I have right now. You guys, my ugali. So let me serve my food and show you my final results. So here's my fish. You all see that? Do you all see that? And here's my ugali. Just a bit for me. So let me show you both of them now. This was so easy to cook, by the way. Here's my fish. There's my ugali. Here's my fish. Here's my water after I'm done eating. I really love the tomato. Look at that. You see that? Damn.
taste the fish as well. Oh god, you know what? Let me just end this vlog here so that I can continue eating and enjoy my meal. So before I end this vlog right here, I want to unbox this with you. These are my earrings. I bought it at Timeless Accessories, and I want to show you guys how cute my earrings look like. So let me unbox it with you. So one thing about me, I'll never use scissors. Even if I know where it is, I can never go for it. Dang it. I wanted to show you the name, but looks like I removed it with the tape. I wanted to show you guys the name, the brand name. Oh, this is nice. So let me show you guys my earrings. She's packing it so nicely, you all. I'm loving this. Oh, this looks so good. Let me just open it and show you people. How will you want this? Who wouldn't? Because I really want millions of these in different colors. Wow. Yeah, so I got them from, like I said, Timeless Accessories. Check them out on Instagram. They're having cute earrings. Yeah, hella cute. So check them out. Meanwhile, I'm loving mine. Meanwhile, I'm hella in love with mine. Yeah, and that's it. That's the only thing that I wanted to unbox. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.